What's up, YouTube? Welcome to All 3 Garage and welcome to Is It Worth It? We're going to be looking at this 2000 Chevrolet Tahoe Sports Utility 4-door SUV. Now, we got new battery, new tires, new alternator, new tune-up. It does need AC control, cracked windshield, brake pads. Needs to be replaced, cracked dash, and the top side of the car is faded. This is about 100,000 miles that was driven, located in Georgia, the Peach State. As y'all can see, just based off looking at it, I love the styling. I love how it's lowered and all that. It looks so cool. The wheels match perfectly fine with this Tahoe. The black also hit on it. I mean, it looks nice, settled. This is the inside. It does show the 100,000 mark. The inside looking clean. The leather seats are looking pretty clean and all that. Looking pretty comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, these Tahoes and all that have pretty comfortable seats. Very plushious. But it could crack easy over time. Now this is the front end. You do have a cowl hood on there, which looks pretty cool. Make the truck look more sportier. Also like the bottom valence down below. And just going back to the odometer and all that, looking at the mileage. Like I said, wheels fits the truck really nice, even though we know these don't come on it from factory. But man, let me know what y'all think about it. And it does the badge have Tahoe Limited. Now this is another view of it. Another view. Another view of the nice seats and front end. Now guys, these trucks usually come with a 5.7 V8, 255 horsepower. Towing capacity is crazy, 7,000 maximum. So I looked on Kelly Blue, and I wanted to see what was like the price where these usually sell. And yeah, they in the ballpark. So from dealership, we're going for about 3,000 to 4,500, $1,000, which is super low. And then I looked at a private party going from about like 19 to rough estimate maybe 45 or so, 46. Now, do got 6 people that you can fit in. Got a lot of cargo space. They do have CD player, climate control, cruise control, just nice amenities and all that. That's those seats, navigation system, and all that. Nice little stuff. Let me see. Let me see. So these have been depreciating, of course. $730 last 3 years. And anyway, this is not a 2000 truck. It's a 99. And the reason why, because from 92 to 2000, that's when they switched up the body style. But man, I love these trucks, especially the two-door ones. I love these body styles. They look so gorgeous. Like when they lowered, it looks so clean with a nice set of wheels and a nice set of taste. Man, you want to draw my heart away. Man, just look, just look. She is looking gorgeous. I love the two doors. I love the four doors. This picture kind of blurry and all that, but man, the wheels, the muscle looking wheels, and man, it's just the wheels. I think a car, if it have some nice wheels on it, man, it makes it different. And this one is super low. This one is pretty cool right here. Let me know if y'all like y'all Tahoes low, or do y'all like it, the nice ride height like this one. This is how it would come out factory and all that. You know, looks pretty clean. Way boxy, back in the time. Nice leather interior, tan, nice tan, If y'all don't know, my Tahoe, I got a 10, but most of the seats are like torn up and all that. So, like I said, the leather is nice and all that, but it can tear up easily, you know. But it holds up though, depending. But man, the front end of these trucks, Tahoes, look so good. I like the color combo. Also, I like these in black. Let me know if y'all like them in black. Like I said, the rims makes the difference, or whatever wheels or rims, whatever you want to call it, whatever you put on this truck, man, it's just gonna look clean. It just look sick, and then you just need a nice sound system, man. Good, you golden, real golden. Now we're taking a look back at this car once again. Like I said, it really ain't much to say. Is it worth $5,000? Now this is the cow hood. I looked it up online. They look like to be going around. I say rough estimate $600. You know, with shipping and all that. Maybe four. Um, so I just wanted to look at the cow hoods. You know, these the pickup trucks. The pickup trucks are sick. The OBS trucks. But anyway, yeah, Tahoe Limited badge on here. Got nice black, nice gray seats inside, nice wheels on. Yeah, let me know if this is. I mean, if this is still, is it worth it? Drop your input down below. Not too much, something real simple, and just wanted to share it. Just came across it on the Facebook Market, so just decided to share it. So let's go to it. If y'all made this far, consider subscribing, like the video, share with your friends, family, whoever.